Hello, welcome to Betamynds today. There was a time in one country when there was a gold rush in a particular place. So many people rushed to the place to go and dig to find gold. So there was one man who hired people and got machinery to go and dig. When he he dug until he felt like it was too much, that there was a lot of work, and yet they were not finding the gold. But they reached a point where they found another mineral called iron ore. They excavated it, they sold it, and got some little money out of it. But remember, this is not why they were digging. They were digging for gold. They continued to dig, but they started to get weary digging because they were not finding the gold. Ultimately, they quit. When this man quit, he sold the machinery to some guy. The guy he sold the machinery to was wise enough to go and seek advice. And when he sought advice from the experts, he discovered that there was gold in the place. When he went ahead to dig with the machinery that he had bought from the previous man who was digging, he discovered that the gold was only 3 meters deeper. And this is the lesson we learn from this. The man who dug first could harvest the gold, but he was not willing to last longer to find the gold. And he didn't have the drive, that desire to continue working until he finds what he really wanted. And he learned something. The story says that man who did not find the gold in the first place joined the insurance company with the lesson he learned of not waiting long enough, of not desiring enough to get what he wanted. He transferred that lesson and energy into insurance, and he learned how to get exactly what he wanted. So he was now not stoppable. And this is exactly what happens to so many people. When they've started a venture, looking for something or working for something, they quit before getting it. Because maybe they get excited by digging a little iron ore. Or maybe they fail to wait a little longer. Or they don't have the desire that pushes them beyond the limit to get exactly what they want. You should have the drive. In his book, Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill mentions that the very first ingredient that one should have if you're seeking wealth, you should have a burning desire, something that pushes you to getting exactly what you want, no matter what. This is Betamynds.